ang sekreto para dumami ang visitors ng store mo at maka-generate ng 1.8 million na benta. Yes, you heard that right! This is a TikTok shop na flags ng niche na hinahandle pa lang namin ng isang buwan. Before kami pumasok, 677k na ang GMV. Nasa 2,548 ang visitors. 4.90 naman ang conversion rate. Okay naman yung numbers pero kulang pa sa momentum. After 1 month working with us, naabot na namin ang 1.88 million GMV. Umabot na ng 6,840 visitors. Pero nasa 4.64% ang conversion rate. Yup, medyo bumaba ang conversion rate. Pero look at that jump in traffic. That's almost 3 times more potential buyers ang pumasok sa store niya. And in TikTok, visibility is everything. The more people that sees your store, the more chances you're going to sell. So, anong ginawa namin? We focus on GMV Max ads that we tested for 2 weeks kung ano ang may magandang returns. Affiliate marketing also helps kasi gumamit kami ng targeted at open collaboration. Constant monitoring sa ads performance for product at affiliate marketing. We push the winning ads habang binabawasan naman ang mga low-performing ones. Kahit slightly lower ang conversion rate, the overall GMV still exploded because dumami talaga ang taong pumasok. Ganun ka-powerful ang ad strategy kapag ginawa ng tama. Don't get too obsessed with conversion rate alone. If your traffic is low, sales will stay low. Pero if you can drive the right people to your store, sales will follow. If you're also on TikTok shop and stuck in low traffic and flat sales, baka ito na yung missing piece mo. Message us at Ecom Accelerator for a free store audit. Ako, si Renz, a marketing and ad specialist. Let's build a TikTok ad system. Brings in potential buyers, hindi lang views.